stage, looking across.
Hello everyone, Gianochisano and welcome to my channel. The renowned South African singer Lira is back with a vibrant, energetic self like she never left. This comes after she suffered a stroke in 2022 while in Germany, where she was set to perform with a Swedish band. Lira performed at this year's Cape Town International Jazz Festival, marking her first major appearance since suffering a stroke. She opened up to the audience by saying, "Giving up was never on my plate. It didn't even occur to me. Now I'm standing on the stage looking across all of you. I struggled to talk and I didn't focus on singing. In December, I noticed I could sing. In January of 2024, I decided to practice my songs and singing came easily to me and I got my life back when I wasn't looking. It was a difficult journey, but it was worth it. I'm living in the moment. The stroke was a blessing to me. I learned to slow down and appreciate what life has to offer." Wow, it's so amazing to see her doing what she clearly enjoys. She's been through so much over the years, first the divorce, then the stroke, and last year she lost her mom. I'm so glad she's back to performing again.